Are you struggling to choose between bulking and cutting? Are you stuck in a cycle of gaining and losing the same weight? What if you could achieve both fat loss and muscle gain simultaneously? It's not magic, but it does take work. This video will show you exactly how to reach your body recomposition goals. Keep watching to learn the workout show's step-by-step guide to building muscle while burning fat. Step 1. Dial in your diet. Let's face it, you can't out-train a bad diet. Your diet is the foundation for body recomposition, losing fat and gaining muscle. Here's what you need to know. Calorie control. We need to create a slight calorie deficit, meaning you burn more calories than you consume. This forces your body to tap into fat stores for energy while providing enough fuel for muscle growth. Don't starve yourself. Aim for a deficit of 5 to 20% of your maintenance calories. We'll discuss how to calculate that in a moment. Maintenance calories explained. Imagine your body is a furnace. It burns calories just to function. Maintenance calories are the amount you need to maintain your current weight. A simple calculation, body weight multiplied by 1416, gives you a ballpark estimate. Protein power. Protein is the building block of muscle. You need enough to repair and grow muscle tissue in a calorie deficit. Aim for 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, or even more if you're already lean. Protein also keeps you fuller for longer, reducing cravings and aiding in fat loss. Think chicken, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, beans, and lentils. These are all excellent protein sources. Macronutrient balance. We're not just about protein. Carbs and healthy fats play important roles too. Carbs provide energy for your workouts. Choose complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables for sustained energy. Healthy fats, such as those found in nuts, avocados, and olive oil, keep you feeling satisfied and support hormone regulation, which is crucial for muscle growth. Remember, this is just the first step. In the next part of the video, we'll dive into the world of weight training, the other crucial piece of the body recomposition puzzle. Step 2. Resistance training. Let's hit the gym and build some muscle. Here's what you need to know about resistance training for body recomposition. The magic of compound exercises. Forget fancy machines for now. We want exercises that work for multiple muscle groups simultaneously for maximum efficiency. Squats, lunges, rows, and presses are your new best friends. Think about it. A squat works your legs, glutes, core, and lower back. This not only builds more muscle, but also burns more calories during the exercise. Progressive overload. The key to growth. Your muscles are smart. They adapt to the demands you place on them. To keep building muscle, we need to challenge them constantly. This is called progressive overload. There are a few ways to achieve this. Increase the weight. As you get stronger, gradually add more weight to your lifts. Start light and prioritize proper form. Do more reps or sets. If adding weight feels too difficult, increase the repetitions or sets you perform per exercise. Decrease rest time. Shorten your rest periods between sets, within reason, to keep your muscles under tension for longer. The form is king. We all want to see results fast, but proper form is crucial to avoid injury and maximize muscle engagement. Don't be afraid to start with lighter weights and focus on controlled movements. You can always increase the weight later once you've mastered the technique. Consider initially working with a personal trainer to ensure proper form for each exercise. Sample workout routine. This is just a sample, but it gives you an idea of how to incorporate compound exercises. Workout A. Legs and core. Squats, lunges, deadlifts, if comfortable. Plank variations. Workout B. Upper body and core. Push-ups. Modify on knees if needed. Rows. Overhead press. Anti-rotational exercises. Remember, don't train the same muscle groups every day. Allow at least 48 and 72 hours of rest for your muscles to recover and rebuild stronger. By following these tips and incorporating various compound exercises with progressive overload, you'll be on your way to building muscle while losing fat. Step 3. Cardio for fat loss. While weight training builds muscle, cardio helps you torch fat to reveal that sculpted physique. Let's break down how to integrate cardio for optimal body recomposition. Moderate intensity is your friend. Think jogging, swimming, biking, or brisk walking for 30-45 minutes most days. This sweet spot elevates your heart rate for efficient fat burning without hindering muscle recovery. Scheduling your cardio. Depending on your preference and energy levels, you can do cardio before or after your weight training sessions. Consider fasted cardio on an empty stomach in the morning for an extra fat-burning boost, but consult your doctor if unsure. Remember, cardio is a great tool for fat loss, but don't overdo it. Prioritize weight training for muscle growth, and use cardio to complement your efforts. Bonus tip: track your cardio sessions in a workout log or app. Seeing your progress can be a great motivator. Step 4. Recovery and sleep. This phase is often overlooked, but it's as crucial as diet and training for achieving your body recomposition goals. Here's why recovery and sleep are your secret weapons. Muscle repair and growth. Your muscles grow stronger when they rest, not during the workout itself. Lifting weights creates microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. Sleep and rest provide the time your body needs to repair these tears and build them back even stronger. Aim for 48 to 72 hours of rest between workouts for the same muscle group. Sleep for gains. Sleep is essential for numerous bodily functions, including muscle growth and hormone regulation. During sleep, your body releases growth hormone, a key player in muscle building and repair. Lack of sleep can hinder your progress and even lead to muscle loss. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Tips for optimal recovery. Active recovery. Include low-intensity activities like walking or yoga on rest days to promote blood flow and recovery. Listen to your body. Don't endure extreme fatigue or pain. Take rest days when needed. Hydration. Drink plenty of water daily to aid recovery and muscle function. Stretching. Regular stretching improves flexibility and can help reduce muscle soreness. Remember, by prioritizing recovery and sleep, you create an environment where your body can rebuild muscle tissue and maximize your results. Treat rest days like an investment in your fitness journey. Step 5. Consistency is key. We've covered the essential tools for body recomposition, dialed-in diet, stimulating workouts, and recovery strategies. But here's the secret weapon that unlocks results: consistency. Think of building muscle and losing fat as a marathon, not a sprint. You wouldn't expect to win a marathon by running a few miles once and then taking a month off, right? The same applies here. Sticking to your plan, day in and day out, fuels progress. Here's how consistency makes you a champion. Habit formation. Consistent effort builds healthy habits around food and exercise. Over time, these habits become second nature, making it easier to stay on track. Long-term gains. Building muscle and losing fat are gradual processes. Consistent workouts and a balanced diet lead to steady progress over weeks and months, rather than yo-yo results. Motivation magnet. Sticking to your plan builds confidence and fuels motivation. Seeing progress keeps you excited and committed to your goals. Remember, consistency doesn't mean perfection. There will be slip-ups. The key is getting back on track as soon as possible and moving forward. You'll be well on your way to achieving your body recomposition goals with consistent effort. That's all I have for you. Losing fat and building muscle simultaneously. Remember, consistency is key. Push yourself, fuel your body right, and you'll be on your way to that sculpted physique in no time. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to The Workout Show for more fitness tips and tricks. Let's get you stronger together.